looking over here. Bell on the move. Oh wait.
Hey.
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Hold on. Where are you?
I in the Challenge Academy now.
We got Bell on the move. We got RoombaCats here. They are both gadget cash creators. They're also patrons. So high five for that. Thank you so much. You guys have been supporting me. So that is so amazing. You guys have been helping out with the gadget caches.
Yeah, we have.
Are you having fun?
Absolutely, yeah.
What's the most challenging thing for the people, like the newbies?
Well, I learned how to solder today.
You learned for the first time.
Yeah. Now I'm helping other people solder.
Oh, that's impressive. You can't execute very quickly. So yeah, what's the challenging for people?
I think it's soldering. Yeah, they're doing great.
Yeah, I believe.
First time they're doing soldering, and you kind of teach them a little bit how to do things, and they catch on pretty quick. Yeah, I love it.
I love that. Where are your caches are mostly Southern California, but now your other places?
I have about 40 gadget caches in California. Yes. Moved to Fort Worth, and I have a place that's like awesome. And so there's like a mile of caches.
Oh my gosh.
They're a lot of fun.
So look for, if you're in those areas, look for RoombaCats for the name. And do you have some caches out there too?
I do.
Where are you at?
I'm in Glendale, California, near Los Angeles.
Nice. So kind of where he used to be.
Yep, we met where he used to be.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And UDAC, think he was in here. UDAC is saying hello. Yeah. Great time. Great job, guys. We've been on here hours. Wrap things up. Okay.